Hey everybody, it's Mike here with Landon Custom Classics. Got a little package here from a friend of mine today over Riley over at Riley's Rebuilds. I'm sure you guys watch many of my videos. You'll see a good bit about Riley. Really awesome person. She's been, like I said in her video, she's been rebuilding Edelbrock carbs since she was 13 years old, and she's 18 now. And she went viral on Facebook and got in with Edelbrock now, and they're really doing a lot of cool stuff with her. And also, her and her dad have a new show over on the Hemmings channel. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. Her and her dad are restoring cars and stuff over there. But yeah, she's a real awesome friend. Whenever I order stuff from her, she sits and personally sends me emails and everything and chats with me about it, make sure everything's cool. So let's see what we got from Riley today. I got a t-shirt. This one is signed right there by Riley herself. Pretty cool stuff. I really wanted one of these. Says, "We fix controlled fuel leaks. Riley's Rebuilds." And then there's the front. Got the little Riley's Rebuilds with their heart on there. Good stuff. And if you need, any of you are working on a project and you need a good carb, even if you want a discounted one, she has a pretty good inventory normally of rebuilt carbs, and you can get one rebuilt like new. Usually they're like store returns or something she's ended up with. She rebuilds them and sells them, and you can usually save probably about 200 bucks or so getting a rebuilt carb over a new one. Either way, she can hook you up. This Edelbrock VRS 4150 650 double pumper, I looked all over and everybody was sold out of them. You go to Riley Rebuilds page, you go to her site, and she had them available, and I ordered that, and within a couple days she had it to me. So big shout out to my friend Riley. Good stuff. Like to see what you got going on in the future, so keep it up. Take care everyone. Have a good one.